this table data where every individual student, whatever the marks he get from all these subjects, English, Math, Science, Social, and Hindi. So whatever the marks that person got for half yearly and full yearly, we represent in this table format in this way. Now this data which is there in the table format, we wanted to put it in a pictorial format, which is double bar graph. So we wanted to demonstrate how we can convert this table format data into the graph format, which is double bar graph. Now, so we'll go by one. So we're trying to put it in a different color. This is dark blue for marks in half yearly and pink for marks in annual. Now, here what we've done is for x-axis, we are considered as a marks obtained by the students, and the subjects we are considered in a y-axis. So subject English in the half year 75 and full year 80. So now we have represented scale of 1 unit is equal to 5 marks. Now we wanted to represent 75 and 80 means, so 75 and 80 is the English marks. This is what we are represented in two colors. And the maths 65 and 75. The maths 65, 75 are represented in this two bar graph, which is double bar graph. Similar way, so we represented for science, social science, and Hindi for all these marks which is available in the table format, we have put it in the double bar graph. I hope you guys learned how to draw a graph from the table of data to a double bar graph in this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.